counter-terrorism policing network has conducted a thorough investigation into how this attack happened. They have recently submitted a file of evidence to the Crown Prosecution Service so that we can make a decision whether criminal charges could be brought against anyone who is involved in these events. Prosecutors from the CPS Counter-Terrorism Division have considered the evidence and have concluded that there is sufficient evidence to provide a realistic prospect of a conviction and that it is clearly in the public interest to charge Alexander Petrov and Ruslan Boshirov, who are Russian nationals, with the following offences: conspiracy to murder Sergei Skripal, attempted murder of Sergei Skripal, Yulia Skripal and Nick Bailey, use and possession of Novichok, contrary to the Chemical Weapons Act, and causing grievous bodily harm with intent to Yulia Skripal and Nick Bailey. A realistic prospect of conviction means that the CPS is satisfied on an objective assessment that the evidence can be used in court and that it is on an objective, impartial and reasonable jury hearing the case, properly directed and acting in accordance with the law, is more likely than not to convict these two individuals of the charges. It is, of course, for a jury to decide whether the evidence is enough for them to be sure of the suspect's guilt. We will not be applying to Russia for the extradition of these males, as the Russian constitution does not permit extradition of its own nationals. Russia has made this clear following requests for extradition in other cases.